In this video, I will share with you which air fryer is right for you, especially if you're on a budget. But don't worry, I've done the research for you and compiled a list of the top 5 best air fryers under $100 in 2024. Number 1. Ninja AF101 Air Fryer. This classic Ninja is a great all-rounder. With a 4-quart capacity, it's perfect for whipping up fries, wings, or even small batches of veggies for two. It boasts simple controls with preset options for crisping, roasting, reheating, and dehydrating. While it might not have all the bells and whistles of some other models, it delivers crispy results and user-friendly operation at a fantastic price point. Number 2. Chefman Multifunctional Air Fryer Plus Rotisserie. Now this air fryer takes things up a notch. It's a multifunctional powerhouse with a whopping 10L capacity, ideal for larger families. Not only does it air fry, but it also roasts, dehydrates, bakes, and even has a rotisserie function for perfectly cooked whole chickens. The large digital touchscreen with 17 presets makes cooking a breeze. This is a fantastic option for those who want an air fryer that can truly replace multiple appliances in the kitchen. Number 3. Cosori Air Fryer Pro La. This sleek and compact air fryer packs a punch. The 5-quart capacity makes it perfect for families of 4. It boasts rapid air circulation technology for even and crispy cooking, with a temperature range of up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. What I love is the handy shake reminder that lets you know when to give your ingredients a toss for optimal results. Plus, with its dishwasher-safe parts and quiet operation, it's a breeze to clean and use. Number 4. Instant Vortex Plus 6 QT Air Fryer. If you're a fan of the Instant Pot brand, then their Instant Vortex Plus air fryer is definitely worth considering. This 6-quart model offers 6 cooking functions: crisp, roast, broil, dehydrate, bake, and reheat. It also comes with access to over 100 recipes through their app, giving you tons of inspiration for delicious air-fried meals. Plus, the built-in odor erase technology is a game-changer, especially when cooking strong-flavored foods. Number 5. Chefman 6-quart Dual Basket Air Fryer. This is the ultimate multitasking air fryer for busy households. With 2 independent 3-quart baskets, you can cook 2 different dishes simultaneously. Think crispy fries on one side and roasted veggies on the other. The digital touchscreen controls and smart sync finish ensure both baskets cook perfectly at the same time. It's perfect for feeding a crowd or making multiple dishes at once.